What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel, Total Technology. So this is another tutorial, probably one complete video. I'm not sure how long this is going to be, but again, as I told you, like last time on Twitter and other stuff, in this video I'll be going to complete the whole tutorial. So this is Twilio bot, Twilio WhatsApp bot. Okay, so it is very interesting and exciting. Like few weeks ago, I just created one WhatsApp bot for one of our, like, what do you say, like one of our customer. Like, he directly contacted me over LinkedIn, and so I just created that bot. And so I just thought to share the same thing with you. It's very simple, and it's very fun to develop this sort of things. And you can extend or customize the everything, like on top of it. But the basic of the real, like, meat part is, I'll be going to show you guys. So don't worry. Those are not familiar with Twilio API and all. It's not required. Like, you can just go through their website and start directly, working from there. Like, it's very easy and simple, and they have their tutorials are very much well constructed and documented. But don't worry, I'll be going through with all those details now. So let me just go through this Twilio website. So this is Twilio. So once you log into Twilio, you have to just create one account, and all this is simply done. And as you say, I am just using one of the premium accounts. So there is some monies available, because without that premium account, you'll not be able to, like, send message to or utilize anything. Okay. And after that, you have to just go to here, and you have to select programmable SMS, and from there, you have to click WhatsApp. Okay, here. Now it will start guiding you. Okay. So first you click over here. So this is the WhatsApp sandbox number. The thing is that for Twilio WhatsApp, how to set up the WhatsApp, kind of bot using Twilio API, you have to first use one number from Twilio. This is actually their WhatsApp sandbox number, and to verify that you are the actual one who is using this sandbox, this will work as a OTP. Like, you have to send from your number to this number, this message, then it will be identify, okay, you are the right person, then the connection will be established, and after that you can send. So we'll be doing it right now. Let's say I am here. I just open this thing, like, what you say, uh, WhatsApp for web. Then from there, I'm just copy pasting this thing to Twilio. The number has been saved already, if you see, because I did the POC before, like, doing this thing. If you can see, like, as I say, I just created this bot few months ago in February. So now if I write this thing, so you are all set. The sandbox is now able to send and receive message. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so what we'll do now, so we'll try to message receive. Now we need to send one single message. Okay, let's say something like this, like, the message has been sent. See, your appointment is coming on this thing. Okay, like this sort of things are done. But our goal is that, as an end user, when probably I'm the end user, and Twilio number is my, let's say, this Twilio number is my customer service number, and one of the end user is, like, this number, my number. So if I say something, then it should automatically respond to that number. So I'll be going to develop that thing. So before moving forward, so to do that, we need to, like, have some sort of, like, sandbox. Inside the sandbox, we need to put some sort of request back URL. So you have to put, like, what you say, like, you have to develop some sort of, like, some piece of code or logic, where the, like, when your message comes, then it will go or hit that app, to get the logic what is required, and after that it will put that request on your phone. Like, so this URL will work as a kind of interface between your phone and Twilio like sandbox. So to like develop this sort of like if apps or like web-based application, I'm using like Python like Flex framework. So I'll show you guys how to do it. So like from Flask and all thing, if you want to import Flask, you have to install. Like, let me show you. Where is that actually? Yes, no, this is not the right one. I think this is. No, this is also not the right one. Where is that actually? Not sure actually. Okay, we can show you. Like, you have to import install like pip install Flask and pip install Twilio. There are two more like libraries you have to install. So for that, like Flask, from Flask import like Flask and request, and from Twilio dot email dot messaging response import. Okay, we need this thing now. Let me just give one name of the app, like let's say app bot equals to, like, those are not familiar with Flask can like just go through some of the like Flask documentation. It's very simple, but again we'll be coming up with the tutorial once our Neo4j and active tutorial has been is completed. Okay, then like app bot dot route is like to give just one path, like, and the methods will be, let's say, get and post. Okay, it's done. Now let's define one variable like reply, and let's say UR means user response. UR is going to be like request dot get dot form, and from it's the body of the message, whatever the user is going to say. In my case, I just send something, hi, hello, so this will come. Okay, so next thing is that un is going to be like this. Un means request, like requester or the user number. request request dot get dot form, and let's say from. Okay, so now what I'll do, um, I'm just thinking, like this is done. Let me just write something here. Let me write um, like un ur. Okay, now if I run this thing, nothing is going to happen. Like it has to hit this thing. Okay, so I have to run this thing from like if like name equals to underscore main. This is going to be then thing run dot app bot thing. This is done. If you can run this thing, then I did a mistake. Like reverse bot.run. Okay, so let's first run this thing. Let's say, well, I'm just mistake like this. No error, so it is running on this server. So now what I'll do, I'll try to like put this URL, like what will be the URL. So for doing that you have to just create some sort of server, or you have to host in this like application in the in over the internet. So for doing that we have a very like very important thing like ngrok. You can download this from like internet, ngrok, and after that if you run this command, well, let me show you like how to do it, then it will be easier. Okay, so once you download, it will be like this one folder. So after that you just go to your terminal or like somewhere like this in this path. Okay, and after that you have to just give http, and the port number is your case 5000. So now you will get the internet facing URL for this thing. Okay, so let me copy paste this thing, and after that I have to just put it here. Okay, so if I put it over here, so it will now able to hit my uh, application and get the responses from there. Okay, I'm not sure why it is not so. Okay, now it's working. So now whenever I will send something like some message, okay, from my phone, this will run and this will try to print something over here, but nothing will happen in WhatsApp side because I haven't put anything. So what I'll do, let me just send something over here. Okay, let me just type hi and something will happen over here. See, something happen over here. No attribute get. The request attribute has nothing called get. I'm not sure why this is not saying, it is not having get. I did a mistake actually. Request dot form dot get. Okay, now it should run. It is saying something that okay, it's running now. There is no error. So let me just go here. Let's type something again with hi. We'll see what is happening and just keep it here. Again we're getting some sort of error. Did not return a response. That is fine. Response is not getting written. We're not sending. So I am sending this message from WhatsApp. My number is this and the message is hi. It is printing. So I am sending also hi. If you see hi. So let me just test it again. Like ideally it should throw some more error, but it's printed. Okay, so now the thing is that so number is coming in this format. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll try to like get all the, for example, I'm working as a customer care executive and I'm getting some sort of like request via WhatsApp. So my job is to consolidate all this thing into a small CSV file. Okay, so for doing that we can do like this. Let's open one file. Okay, import IO, let's say, and let's first let's un equals to un dot replace like this thing. Okay, then let's create the data equals to un plus comma and like ur, and also we can do something like date time, like at what time the like message came. Okay, so this is going to be strf thing. Then you need to just pass this get time string str date time dot time dot now. I think it is going to be let's say, I think I'm just thinking like how we can do it, like y mmdd or something different. I'm not sure. Let's just give it like y m d, and then like hour, minute, second. I think this will work well. And now we need to just like date time dot date time dot now. It's not coming actually, not sure. Well, I think this is fine. Or probably we can do something like cut dt equals to this, so this will be more accurate. And let's do like with io dot open like response dot csv, we open in append mode, like encoding equals to utf-8, and let's just keep one thing sf1 like this. Keep everything a bit right hand side. Then this is done, and let's write this thing like f1 dot write data. Okay, and then we are creating our response. Okay, so resp equals to like this thing, to create one object with that, like messaging response, like okay. Then dot message, so this is actual response. Need to pass what we are going to write. So let's say I would like to you sent, then probably like this body, like the body is, the message body is like you are. Okay, then from, let's say from, and then just giving one space, then my number, or the number that is going to be like un, and then another thing like at or on, then plus, then the time, I believe, yes, the time, and time is like dt. Okay, so this is going to be the response, and if you want we can just return this thing as well, return like str like resp. Okay, so this is done, everything is done. So what is happening over here, like once we get the like message, then it is writing back to one file, like it will be created here like with the name of response.csv, and inside csv it will be like the number of the user, then comma separated, then user response, and I just forgot to just give one like separator. This is going to be comma, and this is like this. Okay, And once this is done, this part, then we are just writing it back. Okay, so I believe the thing is that we need to close this thing like f1 dot close as well. Okay guys, so let's run this thing first. I'm not sure what is the error over here now. Datetime dot now. Okay, this will be one dot. Okay, this is going to be dead time. That is why that time it was not coming. Okay, we need to stop everything and then we have to run terminate clear because already this code has been used. Okay, it's running now, everything is fine. So I need to just give this thing terminate. I have to run it again. Okay, now everything is fine. So now let me go back to over here. So let me just type something. Let's say hi. Well, see, this is coming. You send hi from this on like this. So I'm just like very much formulated the form and other stuff. Like we can do it now. Send, like I'm just giving space, but it is not taking. This is strange. Hi. Okay, there will be one more like this, and this, and this. I think now this is okay. Let me just now done. Now let me just terminate this thing and just run it again. Invalid syntax, probably I missed something. Well, not sure. Yes, this part. Okay, now everything is running. So if we run this thing, this should work again. But it was that time also it was working. This commas and other things were not formatted. So you sent hi from this number, this is my number on this date. So guys, this is working fine. Now the main part is that the consolidation of the messages from like one file. So like for example, you are having one company or your company is having like some customer executives are getting like WhatsApp messages to get their orders. So sometimes the orders get misplaced or like not updated in the system. So in this way it will be automatically tracked, and after that someone can go through it manually. So this is the file. I'm not sure like why. Okay, see the number is coming, but it is not like in every line. Okay, line by line. So I can do something for that. mm, so I think this is going to be like this. I think now this should work. Let me delete this thing first. You will try this again. Okay, terminate, then run like hello, how are you? Let's run it. You send hello, how are you from this. So let me just open this thing first now. Okay, text editor. Okay, so now this is hello, this is number, hello, how are you? So let me just like I'm not sure what happened with my WhatsApp. Oh, I think I by mistake I removed WhatsApp for web. I think let me open this thing again. Okay, so this is Twilio again. So let me just hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? So I'm getting these things, right? Okay, so let me just open this thing. See, it is updated. Hello, how are you today? So I'm just keep on doing this thing. Hi, let's check. It's not updated yet. Okay, it's updated. It's taking a bit time, but it's updating. Hello, Ronnie. So it should update. Not sure why this is not coming. Okay, it's coming. So as I said, it's taking a bit time, but it's updated. Okay. So let me just close this thing, and after that we'll do. I'll be sending hello, hello one, hello two, hello three. Let's open this file now. Let me check whether up to hello 3 everything is there or not. Let me open with the text editor. Yes, it's right. It's there. So now you understand, right? How important this thing is now. Okay. So guys, this is the piece of code. This is very simple. Like you have to just write this flags code, and after that you can just put it into your like Twilio. Let me just Twilio. Twilio, like in the dashboard. From the dashboard, you have to go to programmable SMS, and from there you can just write it everywhere. But if you're not having Twilio like premium account, don't worry. You can just use it for a trial phase for I think 24 hours. I'm not sure. Like, but I'm using premium one because I need to work with the customers on daily basis. Not daily basis, like quite frequently. I'm getting like this sort of small tasks. So it's normal for me. So this is like one part. Like another part we can do something like that for example, you are having some sort of inventory, and your users are querying using some of like your product. For example, in your inventory you are having like multiple product ID. So let's say some of the user is asking you something like and after that your bot should ask you like by default, like if you would like to get some more information on our new product, please type A. For like your old order, please type B. When they type B, the bot will understand that customer is asking for some sort of order. So then the next question from the bot side will be, or WhatsApp side, from your WhatsApp bot side will be like that. Please enter your order ID followed by hash. So once the customer is entered that order ID, the bot will automatically should automatically fetch the order ID and get to some sort of database or your CRM, and from there it will get the status of the order ID and give you the information. So in this next video, we'll be going to do that menu driven WhatsApp bot. Like for example, there will be one menu. Whenever user is sending something, your message will be able to send some sort of like by default like option. Please press A for our products. If you are our existing customer and already ordered something, please press B. And depending on the user input, the bot will be able to answer the next question. And from the answer of the user, again, the bot will be able to generate the response. And if the order ID has not been found, then bot should able to reply that no order found with this. Please try again later. Okay. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying my video, and please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, hit the bell icon to get the notification on timely manner. Those are not yet to subscribe our channel, please do subscribe. It will able to motivate us because we are definitely will try to reach the bigger audience. Or also if you have some query, recommendation, feedback, suggestion, clarification, you can directly communicate to us via Facebook post or YouTube comment, or you can directly send me an email. We are always there to help you. So that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and please try to do some sort of practice on top of it. Then it will be able to like you'll get some sort of confidence, and definitely will able to enjoy the remaining tutorial as well. Because as I told you, remaining videos is going to be like a bit like more complex. So the menu driven functionalities are there. There will be some sort of database connectivity as well. So hope you guys will also will enjoy that. But again, these all things are like real time real projects. So like whatever I did with my engagements or customer, I'm just sharing the same things with that. So that's all guys. Hope to see you in the next video, but I'm not sure from where this line came. This is not required. So I'm just keeping it open, kept it open for some time so that you can able to write something or get some idea, because I'm not going to publish this code at this moment from the GitHub. Once the complete series is done, we'll be going to upload it. This is a part one. or you can say is a bots, like full-fledged bot, because this exact thing was the requirement from one of our customers. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video, probably next week. Okay, bye, take care.